How to find religious views settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find the religious views settings on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click the storylines and go down until you find settings and privacy, and then click settings and go down and you will find profile information. Click on it and then click this one, basic info, and click edit, and then just go down until you find this one, religious views, and then that's it. Just add your religious and click save, and see you in the next video.